This vornoi pattern will make your design modern and add eye-catching effect to your building. Let's get started. Open the grasshopper. Create a surface and connect it to grasshopper. Get the U and V component of the surface by deconstruct domain. Create a flat rectangle with the components. Add points to the surface by populate geometry component. Then make vornoi cells using the points. The curve forms the boundary of the vornoi cells. Add pull point component to attract the points of the plane. Area component makes the centroid of the cells which will be attracted by the curve. So add a curve on the plane and connect it to the geometry. Now scale the cells from its centroids. The remapped numbers will be the factor of scale. Add deconstruct domain to put the values of scaling. Off the previews of past components for better workflow. Use number sliders to adjust the scaling. The closer cells will be less scaled than the more distant cells. Now create surface with the scaled geometries. And then split it from the total rectangle plane to extract the border of the cells. Add surface split to do this. Now add list item component to select only the border surface of the cells. Extrude the surface along Z-axis to create depth. Add number slider to the Z factor to control the extrusion. Now we have to transfer the vornoi pattern from flat surface to our target curved surface. Morph surface component will do this. Now it's our final result. Please subscribe to support me for more.